Alright guys, welcome back to another installation of Tacoma Tactical, and today we're going to be over a pretty cool kit, kind of unboxing review. I guess I've already unboxed it. This kit is from ScreenProtech. They offer screen protectors for 3rd gen Toyota Tacomas as well as various other vehicles. And so today, like I said, I'm super excited for this because one, I have dogs, and I always worry that my dogs are going to put their paws up on the dash, put their paws up on my stereo, on the screen, they're going to scratch it. So this is an anti-scratch or anti-scratch resistant kit. So like I said, super stoked for it. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the degreaser. They have a little bit of soap in here. All you have to do is add water, literally. Installation solution soap mix, just add water. Makes it easy. You have all of your screens. This is going to be the shift control screen protector, the stereo screen protector, as well as the dash gauge cluster screen protector. They give you a microfiber terry cloth and a squeegee. Lord knows we could all use more squeegees. So let's get this installed. So as you can see, first of all, and I don't know if you can really see it on the backing here, but this is the shift control screen protector, and as you can see, we do have this kind of hard plastic, and mine's already starting to wear from my dogs just kind of walking around on it. And every time we're out camping or overlanding, they're just kind of back and forth across the truck. So this is really a big bonus for me, and like I said, I'm just super stoked to get this installed and kind of, I guess, help save the value of the vehicle for whatever that's worth. So you can see how easy this is, and I don't know if I can one-hand the whole deal, but I'm gonna give it a try the best I can. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the cleaning agent that they have provided. Give it a nice wipe down, make sure it is good and dry. Because the last thing you want to do is get hairs or dirt or any kind of just grime that's in your vehicle on there. As you can see, that screen protector already brings just that little bit of plastic back to life. It's super easy to apply. I couldn't do it with one hand. I did have to kind of work it a little bit. As you will, you know, it's like applying a vinyl. So you're gonna need to work it and play with it a bit. It does help to add just a little bit of their applicator soap to the back, almost like a window tint, and just kind of helps you work that protector around. Now, I started with the small screen protector first, just to kind of see how easy it would be to apply it. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the stereo, and then we'll move to the dash. Stereo is probably gonna be a bit of a hassle, as you do have to work around the knobs, but good to go. Like I said, if you add a little bit of the soap that they provide to the back, just a little bit to the back of the screen protector, it helps kind of like smooth everything out. Now, before applying my screen protector to the stereo face, I actually opted to remove my knobs to make life just a little bit easier. Like I said, we're gonna go ahead and apply just a spritz. I'll go ahead and work this on there. All right, and I've got the full set of ScreenProtech screen protectors installed. As you can see, they bring your dash and all your screens back to life. ScreenProtech, you can find them on Instagram at ScreenProtech. That's Screen, S-C-R-E-E-N, Pro-Tech, no spaces. And if you guys like this video, make sure to like, turn on those notifications, subscribe. It always helps the channel. Now I can bring you some more solid content. I hope it's solid. If you guys have ScreenProtech, let me know down below. Let me know how you guys like it. Was it easy to install? Are you considering picking up ScreenProtech equipment? And if you are, I have a special surprise for you in the future. So tune in for the next episode. Thank you guys for coming by.